Morning boys and girls, Mitch of the bushveld here. Let's have a look at the Roycroft back frame. So the Roycroft backpack is not a new invention in the bushcrafting community. Quite a few people have done videos on it. What I wanted to show you is a quick, simple way to put it together with a simple lashing that's very easy to learn. I'm going to take this apart, lay it out on my sleeping mat and show you how we put this thing together. All you're going to need for this project is 3 pieces of sticks. This is from poplar, some paracord, folding saw, some webbing, and your bolt knife. Let me bring you in closer, show you how we're going to put this together. So for your 3 poles, you need 2 poles that are approximately armpit to finger tip in length, and your cross beam, which is going to be roughly elbow to fingertip in length. As you can see at the bottom of the 2 uprights, I've created little divots, and I've created 2 matching divots on the cross brace that'll help bind everything together a lot stronger. Here's our cross brace that's going to be going on our back. We match up our divots with our 2 uprights, and we're going to lash it at the top and at the 2 corners using a constrictor knot. So we're going to start off with our bottom 2 lashings, and we're going to lash them with the top poles splayed outwards. This will help when it comes to binding that top one. Everything will pull together nice and tight. Let me show you how you do that constrictor. So to do the constrictor knot, we're going to first start off doing a regular clove hitch. We're going to wrap round, make an X, put that rope through the X. So that makes a common clove hitch. Now this front end, you'll see we've got one wrapping over, one wrapping under. We're going to take this one, put it under that one, and from there you can crank it down, even using a toggle to get that super nice and tight. Let's do the other side. So once again, we take our piece of paracord, we wrap over, make an X, the tail through the X, making a clove hitch. There you can see the one wrapping over, there's the one wrapping under. Take our long end and go under that one, making a constrictor knot. Neaten everything up and crank it down. From here you can cut off the ends, burn them, that way it's not going anywhere. Now that the bottom 2 are nicely secure, when we pull these top 2 together, you can see it puts it under tension. You're going to get it to the right spot, round about there, put one more constrictor knot on it. Now that our frame's together, the last thing we need to do is add our back straps. We take our webbing, fold it in half, find our center. It's going to go over the top, through the middle, and then there's 2 long pieces. It's going to pull through, creating a locked head knot. Press that down tightly, and then we can put it on our backs. Okay, so to put the back on, this lower beam must be facing away from your body. Grab your 2 straps, bring it over your shoulders. You want to hook that strap over both. Same on this side, over both. Cinch the back up, tie it off. If you've got enough cord, you can go around twice, or you can tie a little bow in the front. And you're good to go. Well guys, thanks for joining me on part 1 of this 2-part series on the Roycroft back frame. Next episode I'll be showing you how we can lash gear to this, also how we can carry wood, and a couple of extra tips and tricks to make things a bit easier. I'm Mitch of the Bushveld. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.